siya. But before we make our grand reveal, please let us welcome on stage our CEO for Sante Barley, Sir Joey Marcelo. Welcome everyone.
Okay. Well, first of all, Happy New Year to everyone. Kamusta kayo lahat? A lot of questions are being asked by my friends, community. Is Sante International a foreign-owned company? Nung nakita natin yung video kanina, we will be thinking na, oh, it's a foreign-owned company. We will be celebrating our 18th year this year, and Sante is a proud Filipino company. Alright, we started in the Philippines. Our vision is to grow the business all over the globe. Anyway, to get the ball rolling, we'd just like to welcome everyone. Happy New Year to all of you here right now. Thank you for taking your time to be part of this momentous event. Of course, our friends from media, from the press, thank you for joining us. Yung presence nyo rito, wow, so overwhelming. It's really nice to start the year with a blast. Of course, my partners in Sante, the management team, the executive committee, our marketing team is here. And of course, just like to recognize the presence of our top distributors. Nandiyan sila lahat. We call them the Sante Elites. The reason why Sante right now, we're celebrating our 18th year anniversary this year. The reason why we're already present all over the globe in offices in 10 countries is because of these distributors. These are not only entrepreneurs here in the Philippines, but they are the ones building our business globally. We're excited to say because, of course, it's a new partnership, new beginning. Since Sante will be celebrating our 18th year, sabi namin, we're talking about barley grass, talking about health and wellness, nagiging institution ang Sante. So why not partner also with an institution when it comes to health and wellness in the industry, showbiz industry? So that's the reason why we decided to partner with this person who will be calling in a while. We're so excited because we know that his influence can help Sante a lot in really building yung awareness when it comes to health and wellness. It's growing older beautifully, and we're excited because I know that the impact of Sante will not only be here in the Philippines, but it will be cascaded globally. More than inspiring Filipinos all over the globe, it's inspiring other nationalities. Ito na siguro yung time ng isang Filipino company ay maging institution din sa buong mundo. Naniniwala ba kayo? Is it possible that there's a local brand, a Filipino brand na makikilala sa buong mundo? Not only catering to the needs of the Filipino community, but catering to the needs of the world market. And I'm excited to welcome you all in this momentous occasion, momentous event. Let's make this event light, pasayahin natin to, and mark this day as the start of something big for a Filipino company named Sante International. So thank you very much. Let's enjoy the rest of this afternoon.